As a system becomes more complex, it becomes more stable.
There are systems that are more complex than others. For example, food chain. There can be simple food chains with one producer and one consumer, like pandas, while there are other complex food chains with a lot of producers and a lot of consumers.
So for example, if one producer becomes extinct, the stability of the food chain won't be affected because there are still other producers.
I'm a panda and my food system is very simple. We only eat bamboos, so if they become extinct, we would be in trouble because we wouldn't have anything to eat.
In another case, we black bears eat almost everything, so if one of our sources of food gets damaged or doesn't grow anymore, it doesn't really affect my system because I can depend on another resource of food, so our system would remain stable.
Hi, I'm a fox and I eat rabbits and rats. So for example, if rabbits would get extinct, I could still have rats to eat, and this wouldn't damage my food system.
Another simple system that could affect the world would be the bridge that connects Europe and Asia. What's the problem? If this bridge gets damaged or breaks down, there's not other alternative that connects Asia with Europe.
When you are driving to a certain place and a road gets blocked, there are still other roads you could take. This is an example of a complex system because you have many alternatives. So if one doesn't work, you have other options. The system is not jeopardized.
If simple systems get affected, they would cause a lot of problems in the world, and thousands of people would be affected, like what happened in Ireland from 1845 to 1848. A fungus was brought in trade ships by the US to Ireland, which caused the potatoes to become uneatable, soggy, and black. Potatoes were an incredibly important source of food in Ireland, and they depended enormously on them. 1 million people died and many migrated to other places.